Hello, my name is Claire McFarland, and for the Web 2.0 assignment, I had Screencast-O-Matic, which is a recording. It records your screen. It can record a webcam between two people or just you talking. This is what it looks like whenever you first download it, and this is what I see when I'm recording. But it's very easy and simple to use. You just press record and it records the screen. You can change the screen to where you can expand it and get more, or if you just want just a little piece, you can have that too. For education in our case, it does have lots of things you can do. My download, it was free. If you want to edit and have more features, you do have to pay for pricing here, and there's different products that you can get. This is what I chose, and I was able to record my screen for free. But there's pricing for individuals and pricing for the universities and schools, whichever one that you would want to use. It also gives you some examples of how to use it. What I thought was interesting is at my school, I have a lot of absences. So if I wanted to record my lesson and then send it out to parents for their children who had missed school so that they would not fall behind, that would be a good way to use it. Also, to get students involved, they could create their own. They could record themselves talking me through a project, or they could record a webcam of themselves. I'm going to show you what it looks like whenever you are recording. Maybe not. This is what it looks like. You can do screen, you can do the webcam, or you could do both. There is a narration down here. You can turn it up as high as you want. And then if you had a video to show for your computer, you could do that as well. I have not, so that is muted on mine. It does only allow you to do 15 minutes, but 15 minutes that's quite enough time to do something small that you would like to do.